everybody, just vlogging a little bit about my day. I have some stuff going on this week or next week. As I told you that we moved into an older house, and so we've been trying to update a lot of stuff. And so what's going on is I'm just cleaning up this area because it's not going to look like this in a little while. I'm just working on cleaning this up. And this crazy mess in here. It's what they so call the pantry. Of the house, so it is totally gonna be redone within the next couple of weeks. So, but anyways, I'll be back with you. I'm gonna do something real quick, so stay tuned. So one thing we did do to the old calm down, old house is we put a new lighting here, because it was just an old, like, uncool light. Still gonna be painting this. We did add a new light up here also, and we put a new light underneath the sink, which the sink is dirty, so I'm not gonna show it to you right now. We put these two lights up there, had to rewire them and everything. We just repainted this room. But these are just some updates that we're making, and I want to vlog about it because one day I want to look back and be like, wow, we did a lot of work. So, but anyways, that's it for now. I'm going to keep on vlogging throughout the day, so. A workout before workout. So the last look at the before, this is what we had when we came in the house. You'd walk up from the downstairs, come up some kind of crazy countertop here. Can't really put a toaster on there because, I don't know, just didn't work very well. So that, and then we have our pantry. And a door. No walking. It's a pantry like that. So the before pictures before this pantry gets redone. Stay tuned for later when I put a video up of when all the updates are done. Thank you. Have a great, awesome day. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.